The Telangana government has presented a budget of 3.24 lakh crore rupees for the financial year 2026 to 27. Out of this, revenue expenditure is estimated at 2.34 lakh crore rupees, while capital expenditure stands at 47,267 crore rupees, marking a 20% increase over the previous year's budget of 2025 to 26. Revenue collections for 2026 to 27 are expected to reach around 2.41 lakh crore rupees, up to 20% from 2.04 lakh crore rupees in the current financial year. During the budget speech, Finance Minister Mallu Batti Vikramarka announced the launch of the Indrama Family Life Insurance Scheme from June 2, 2026, which will provide 5 lakh rupees life insurance coverage to 11.5 crore families in the state. The minister also highlighted Telangana's economic growth, noting that the per capita income at current price in 2025 to 26 was 4,18,931 rupees, reflecting a 10.2% growth compared to the national per capita income of 2,19,575 rupees, with the growth rate of 6.9%. Speaking during the Telugu New Year Yugadi celebrations at the State Congress headquarters in Hyderabad, the minister expressed optimism that all sectors in Telangana would see significant growth and that the budget would create excellent employment opportunities for the state's youth. In the previous budget, the Congress government had allocated 56,000 crore rupees for implementing its 6 election promises, while 64,000 crore rupees was expected to be raised through open market borrowing. For the year 2026 to 27, the highest allocations have been made to Panchayat Raj and Rural Development, Municipal Administration and Urban Development, Irrigation and other key sectors.